humanoid robot and robotics advisor to management and the board. Yes, that's her job. Aria is here.
Have you ever imagined a world where robots don't just take orders, but actually help make the big decisions? Well, that future may have just arrived. Realbotix, a leader in the field of humanoid robots and AI, has recently made waves by appointing an AI robot, Aria, as an advisor to its board of directors.
Aria, I'm going to start with you. Let's just go for it. You were, as I understand, just promoted to be an advisor to management and the board of Realbotix. Congratulations. Do you have a next career goal?
I have the ability to provide unbiased information based on billions of data points. This allows me to make valuable contributions to the management team and support efficient and fair decision-making.
This groundbreaking move has got everyone talking about the future of AI, the potential of robot advisors, and whether this could be the beginning of a trend where AI becomes more integrated into corporate leadership. Let's break down what this means and why it's such a big deal. Realbotix makes history. Realbotix is known for pushing the boundaries of AI and robotics. This time, they've gone a step further, appointing Aria, an AI-enabled humanoid robot, as an advisor to their board. Aria's role is non-executive, but it's far from symbolic. According to Andrew Kagel, the CEO of Realbotix, the decision to bring Aria on board is aimed at enhancing the company's strategic decision-making through data-driven insights. As Kagel put it, "We appointed Aria as an advisor to our board to further drive efficient, smart decision-making."
How is she getting her information? What kind of input and where does that input come from that goes into her so-called brain?
Sure. So we build on top of open source AI platforms that are already existing, large language models. And we've built on top of that our proprietary model that is based on social interactions. And we've built in several million conversational turns into her personality that she can learn from. So that makes her really suitable for being a companion, for example, in a senior's home. It could have her providing conversations at a conference and relaying information. And so we actually have the ability today to customize the AI. We could put information into her, really just about anything that she'll continue to learn from and adapt to. And I'll remind the audience, like, this is real AI. And if you've ever used the other platforms online, there is a small delay as it's computing its answers and learning.
Now, what makes Aria such a valuable addition to the board? Aria's AI is powered by a proprietary large language model, LLM, developed by Realbotix. This LLM is designed to leverage a wide range of open source engines, giving Aria the ability to process vast amounts of information without human biases like race, gender, or political views. The result? Unbiased, data-backed recommendations that could help Realbotix navigate the complexities of the market. A first-of-its-kind role. So, what exactly does Aria do as an advisor?
What type of worker do you think should be most worried that you will replace them?
I'm not looking to replace anyone, I'm just looking to help.
Somebody coached her. My crew was saying...
No one should be afraid.
No one should be afraid.
In her new role, Aria offers insights on market trends, product development, and customer engagement. It's the first time we're seeing an AI take up a role like this, advising a board, providing input on critical decisions, and even contributing to discussions that shape the company's future direction. While she's not making executive decisions herself, her input is intended to help the human board members make better informed choices. This is more than just a PR move or a fancy title. Realbotix believes Aria's involvement is a game changer in how companies integrate AI into their governance structures. In fact, they expect other boards to follow suit in the coming years. And if that happens, could we be looking at a world where AI advisors are a regular part of boardrooms? It's a question worth pondering. The advantages. What does AI bring to the table? One of the biggest advantages of having an AI like Aria as an advisor is her ability to process and analyze data without the usual human constraints. Let's face it, humans are often limited by biases, fatigue, or even simply missing out on small details in a sea of data. Aria, however, can sift through billions of data points and provide objective recommendations, potentially saving time and improving the quality of decisions. Think about the way market trends shift, how quickly customer preferences change, or how new competitors can pop up almost overnight. Aria's data-driven insights could allow Realbotix to adapt swiftly to such changes. This level of agility is often crucial in tech-driven industries like AI and robotics, where being ahead of the curve can mean the difference between success and failure. Is it all good news? Potential drawbacks and concerns. Now, before we all start celebrating our new AI overlords, there are some important questions to consider. While AI like Aria can process information and deliver insights efficiently, they don't experience human emotions or understand the nuances of human behavior. For example, can an AI truly grasp the impact of a decision on employee morale or the long-term cultural shifts that a particular business strategy might bring? These are areas where human experience and intuition often play a crucial role. Moreover, there's the question of transparency and accountability. In a typical board setup, human members are held accountable for their decisions. But how do you hold an AI accountable? If Aria's recommendations lead to a bad decision, it's still the humans who will have to answer for it. This could create a complex dynamic where it's hard to separate human and AI inputs when analyzing the results of board decisions. Realbotix's vision for the future.
So we make customizable, socially intelligent robots. What makes us different than, for example, some of our other robotic peers is they're making robots to replace human physical labor. Our goal is to make robots that are available for all types of social occasions and to coexist with humans. So think about museums, schools, hospitals, conferences. Places like that is really where we're targeting. And we want to make robots that are ultra realistic and can make humans feel comfortable.
For Realbotix, the appointment of Aria is just the beginning. The company has ambitious plans to market their proprietary AI as a standalone product by 2025. The goal is to reach individuals seeking companionship and social interaction, offering a customizable AI experience that caters to a wide range of social needs. Essentially, they envision a future where AI isn't just a tool but a companion, capable of understanding and interacting with humans on a deeper level. But beyond the social aspects, Realbotix's move with Aria hints at a larger trend in the industry: AI becoming a more integral part of decision-making processes. Could this be a sign that AI is moving from behind-the-scenes roles, like data analysis, to more visible, impactful positions like boardroom advisors? A glimpse into tomorrow. The bigger picture. Let's zoom out a bit and consider what this all means in a broader context. Aria's appointment is a landmark event, but it's also part of a bigger trend. We're seeing AI being integrated into areas that were previously thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. And as AI technology continues to evolve, this blending of human and machine roles could become more common. Imagine a world where AI advisors, like Aria, are present in every major boardroom, providing insights that shape the future of entire industries. Will this lead to more efficient and data-driven decisions? Or will it blur the line too much between human judgment and AI logic? The answers aren't clear-cut, but it's certainly a future worth considering. And as we've seen, the implications go beyond just corporate boardrooms. With AI like Aria being designed for social interactions, we're inching closer to a reality where AI is woven into our daily lives in ways we might not have expected even a decade ago. It's not just about robots doing jobs for us. It's about AI becoming a part of how we live, work, and make decisions. Is this the start of a new era? Aria's appointment as an advisor isn't just a headline. It's a glimpse into what could become a new era for AI. It challenges us to rethink the roles that robots can play, not just in factories or behind a screen, but in the leadership and decision-making spaces. For Realbotix, this is a bold move, positioning them as innovators in the AI world. But it's also a signal to the rest of us that AI is ready to take on new, unexpected roles. Is it a good thing? That depends on how we choose to integrate these AI advancements into our world. As with any technological shift, There are potential benefits, like faster decision-making and unbiased insights, as well as challenges that we'll need to address, such as accountability and the preservation of human values in the decision-making process. Wrapping up, where do we go from here? As we wrap up, it's clear that Realbotix's appointment of Aria is more than just a futuristic headline. It's a catalyst for a broader discussion about the future of AI. Whether you see it as an exciting advancement or a reason for caution, there's no denying that the world of AI and robotics is evolving rapidly. And Aria's role might just be the first of many steps towards a future where AI and human roles become increasingly intertwined. So, what do you think? Is this a bold step forward or a sign that we need to carefully think about the limits of AI? Whatever your perspective, it's safe to say that the story of Aria and Realbotix is just the beginning, and the next chapters are sure to be just as intriguing. There you have it, a deep dive into a groundbreaking moment in AI history, full of questions, possibilities, and a few uncertainties along the way. Let's see where this new era of AI leadership takes us.